In this video, we will see the 10th of this series of expert advisors created with fxDreema. This one is called Overbought Oversold Stochastic, because that is exactly what it does. It opens a buy or a sell when this indicator crosses up or down the level values 20 or 80. Here it is. We'll take a look at its constants and variables first. We find 5 constants. The first one is called K-line period. Here we will be able to choose the candle period for this indicator's parameter. By default, its value is 5. The second one is called D-line period. Here we will be able to do exactly the same as the previous one, but for this indicator's parameter. By default, its value is 3. The third one is called slowing value, and it's the last indicator's parameters to choose. Its default value is also 3. The next one is called percentage risk. This is the input parameter we will use to specify the percentage of the balance to be risked per trade. Then we find the constant called stop loss in pips. Here we will insert the distance in pips for all trades. The default value for the last 2 constants is 0. On the other hand, we see no variables are used. And now let's see how its blocks are structured. We find all of them on the Untick tab. These 2 blocks are the ones searching for the stochastic's crossing. When the indicator's main line crosses over level 20, a buy trade is open and any opening sell at that moment is immediately closed. That same thing happens for opening sells when crossing down level 80. If we look at either of them, we can see how all previous constants are set in. Any other parameters of the stochastic, such as MA period or price field, are set by default, but you can modify them at will. Then we have both Buy Now and Sell Now blocks. These are the blocks that open the trades when the previous conditions are met. Here we can also find both risk percentage and stop loss distance constants set in. No take profit distance is established in this EA. Again, these settings can be customized as we explained in previous free EAs. As we explained in our introductory fxDreema course, all these blocks will be executed every single time a tick arrives to our platform, because they are on the Untick tab. Now let's see how it works. We download it and install it on our MT4 platform. In this example, we'll be using it on the $0 chart. When we drag the EA on the chart, we need to insert the input parameters. We will use these same values by default for the stochastic indicator, but we can choose any integer number we want. For the percentage risk parameter, we will type 1.2. This means all trades will risk 1.2% of the current balance. Then we will type 20 pips as the distance for any stop loss. Finally, we will not change the value of the magic number. All fxDreema EAs are given a magic number by default. No changes are required here. As soon as the EA is running and a tick arrives to our platform, it will be fully operational and a trade will open if conditions are met. You can find the link to this EA in the description. It has been built with less than 10 connections between blocks. This means that if you want to study and customize all block settings in detail, you just need to import it into your free fxDreema account. I will share more free EAs in future videos. If you want to learn how to create your own expert advisor without knowing how to code, I can help you with my introductory fxDreema course. Just visit theendurantinvestor.eu.